All right, guys, Rob Swanson back here, and in this video for the Big Profits from Small Houses training, we're going to talk about searching the MLS. And this is just another little untapped gold mine that most real estate investors completely overlook. So if you find yourself banging it out with everybody, trying to compete for the same deals and, struggling, use this strategy. Nobody else is doing it. Ask your real estate agent to go pull in your target areas all the one-bedroom single-family houses that are currently listed in the MLS. Now, these get overlooked by most real estate investors, so you probably won't have any bidding wars. In fact, there's probably going to be no offers even going in on these houses, which increases the motivation oftentimes for somebody that's trying to sell a one-bedroom house. Now, remember, you're not buying a one-bedroom house. You're buying a one-bedroom house that has 1,000 square feet or greater, because you can turn that easily into a three-bedroom house. Now, if there are too many one-bedroom houses with 1,000 square feet or greater, which is unlikely, but if you're in an area that has too many, you can further filter by motivation by adding days on market into your filter search criteria. Now, I usually recommend going back, if you have too many one-bedroom 1,000 square foot plus houses in the MLS, going back 90 days or 120 days on market. That means those houses have been listed for a minimum of 90 days or listed for a minimum of 120 days. And if somebody's listed it for 4 months and it's still there and available for sale, there's probably a reason, and they're probably motivated. And so you might get a little bit of a discount, but remember, the key strategy here is you don't need a huge discount to make this work. Then ask your real estate agent to tell you what they think fixed up 3-bedroom, 1 or 2 bath houses of around 1,000 to 1,100 square feet in the area are selling for. What I want you to do is be able to start to compare the price to value of 3-bedroom houses to the price to value of 1-bedroom houses. I want you to start to see the price gap between the two. And this is really going to help you just get set up to understand the opportunity. So sometimes just working with a real estate agent in this way, and if you tell them what you're looking for and why you're looking for it, you're going to come across very credible and actually sound like a really smart real estate investor. Because if you tell your agent this strategy and say, I'm just trying to avoid the competition, and I want to go after a deal that not everybody's going after, so here's what I'd like us to look for, they're going to be like, wow, that's really smart. And I can tell you that because that's what happens every time I do it. And then just make offers. No one else is doing it. So when you start making offers on these properties in the MLS, you've just tapped into an absolute gold mine. So this is Rob Swanson. Hope you got a lot out of this. Hope you loved it. Go do it and let me know about it. See you later. Bye.